It's another day, another DIY. Guys, today I have something that has so much potassium for your hair. When I applied it, my hair was feeling so soft. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is ripe plantain. I'll be using it as a deep conditioner for moisture and for some strength because I added egg for the benefit of protein. Yes, if you are new to the channel, do well to subscribe. My name is Lydia. I share DIY videos. I share videos on natural hairstyling, things that can help you retain length. In today's video, I wanted to try something different. So I used I used ripe plantain, and then I also used a little bit of ayurvedic hair oil and then some eggs. I blended all together. My mistake was, instead of sieving it, I wanted to do I don't know how to term it, but I should have sieved it, but I didn't sieve it. And that is why at the end of the video you understand what happened. And I also added this mega growth deep conditioner for its, mega growth. If you know mega growth, you know the nutrients that it provides. It has so much strengthening protein in it. So I said, okay, why don't I add some of the deep conditioner to give my hair some structure? And the funny thing is, I put this in the fridge and my mom thought it was ice kinky, it was mashed kinky. I mean, everything shows that it could be mashed kinky. And even when I did it, it looked like something that I could eat. Yes. So why am I doing this? I've had a protective style for a while, so I wanted something to strengthen my hair. You know, when you have a protective style for a while, there are two things you should aim for: something that will strengthen your hair, and then also something that will provide solid cleansing to your scalp. Yes. So today I wanted something that will strengthen my hair, and that is why I went in for this treatment. Guys, my hair was already washed. I used onion juice, which I have the video here on this page, so I was not really bothered about other things. So because it's a deep conditioning routine, you don't have to worry about, you have to make sure that your hair is well washed before you go in with your deep conditioner. And guys, you could tell the facial expressions I was making. It was weird to me, not the weird, but I was afraid it would pour on my face. I had a very funny expression while editing this video. I'm like, what facial expression was I making? Yes. So initially I wanted to twist the hair so that when I'm done I'll make sure that everything is twisted, but later I was like, nah, even if I'm going to wash everything out, I'll end up removing the twist. So why don't I just go straight to the point and do it and not necessarily twist the hair? And that's how come I left it like that. So I just applied it to the hair and then left it like that. I really didn't like the feel so much when I was applying it. Yeah, it felt a bit dry for me, not the hair, the treatment I was applying. It was not really feeling. So I decided to keep going anyway because I cannot stop halfway now. But my regret is always the fact that I didn't sieve the thing. Oh my goodness. And then I regretted it. At the end of the video, I was regretting it so much. So guys, why am I using banana? Why do I keep saying banana? I mean ripe plantain. Ripe plantain is very high in potassium, yes, and I wanted to have that nutrient in my hair. I'll do this treatment again, but my lesson has been learned. I'll make sure that I sieve it with a cheesecloth so that it has this fine solution. I mentioned that I did onion juice before going in with this treatment. Banana also helps to strengthen the hair, and after I did this hair, I started my hair the following day, and guys, the hair shedding was so low, like little to none. I mean, you understand. There was basically no shed hair in my hair, and I was so happy about it. Yeah, so the potassium, and it also has vitamin B6 in it. The I don't know why I keep saying banana. I mean, they all come from the Saka family. Yes, so they have similar nutrients, yes. And when I applied it to my hair, it made my hair so soft, just that it was feeling a bit dry. The treatment itself and not the hair. The hair was feeling soft, but the treatment itself was feeling a bit off for me. Maybe next time I'm going to add some flaxseed gel for the sliminess. I'm going to add honey. I didn't have honey, that's why I didn't add some. But if I had, I would have added some to it. Yes, my siblings were just making me laugh. That's why I was just laughing loudly like that. But bear with me, guys. So yes, if you are looking for something to strengthen your hair that is natural, the ingredient in this treatment is going to give you the results that you are looking for, because banana is full of potassium, and potassium is able to really strengthen the hair if you are consistent with using it properly. When I finish, you know that I added some deep conditioner to it. The deep conditioner also helps to strengthen the hair. Deep conditioner on its own is something strengthening. So if you add it to the treatment, it doubles the strength. Yeah. So if you want something to strengthen your hair, this is tried, tested, and proved that it is going to strengthen your hair very, very well. I have tested it myself, and I am going to assure you that if you use banana deep conditioner, you are going to get the results that you want. After everything, this is how soft my hair was feeling. My hair was feeling so, so soft. Like I was feeling the afro hair itself, and I was loving it. Yes. You cannot do a deep conditioning without wearing a steamer cap. So I put on my rubber band, my rubber on my head, and then I wore my steamer cap. Wore it for 15 minutes, and then I rushed to wash everything out. You can add some of the deep conditioner just to rinse it out, but if you have enough water, just wash everything out. Yeah. So after 15 minutes, this was the result. Like I could feel the difference. I could really, really feel the difference, the softness of my hair, the bounce. Then my hair was bouncy and all that. Yes. So guys, this is where I bring the end of the video to you. If you want something to strengthen your hair, try this banana treatment, or let me say plantain, ripe plantain treatment, and you're going to love it. Let me know what you think about this video. I'll see you in my next video. You can see the residues I have in my hair after washing it out. So next time, don't make some of my mistake. Or make sure you rinse everything out before you go in with. I mean, make sure you strain it very well before you go in with your product. Thank you very, very much, my darlings, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.